Everything that used to be filmed by live actors is now created by machines. You won't be able to tell the difference between a fake and reality. Millions of users are already paying for digital models, making real people less relevant. The industry is changing before our eyes, and those who fail to adapt simply disappear. Are you ready for a future where artificial intelligence replaces even the most intimate areas of life? Artificial intelligence is rapidly penetrating the adult entertainment industry. Digital models created by algorithms are already competing with real people. Subscribers now follow content generated without the participation of live actors, while technology continues to evolve. How will this affect the market, and will people be able to adapt? Today, we will analyze how AI is transforming the industry, what it means for content creators, and where this will lead. AI has learned to create hyper-realistic images, videos, and even replace people's faces in digital space. Today, algorithms can generate visual content that is difficult to distinguish from reality. Technologies already exist that can recreate scenes based on textual descriptions, fill in missing details, and adapt to user preferences. But these achievements also have a downside. People may find their images used in content they never created. This raises the question, where is the line between art and invasion of privacy? Some see this as technological progress, while others consider it a serious ethical and legal issue. Technology is becoming more accessible, and now almost anyone can create similar content within seconds. This leads to the emergence of numerous digital images created without the knowledge and consent of real people, posing a threat to their reputation and security. The market for unreal content is rapidly evolving. Some use it for entertainment, while others exploit it for manipulation and coercion. This raises important questions about digital identity security, ethical boundaries, and the need for regulatory measures. The legal system has yet to catch up with AI development. Some countries have already introduced regulatory measures, including fines and bans, but the effectiveness of these measures remains questionable. Laws need to be adapted to address new digital challenges. There are also moral aspects to consider. If a user knowingly interacts with a digital character as if they were real, does this cross a boundary or simply become a new form of digital entertainment? Perhaps in a few years, algorithms will completely replace real people in this sphere, redefining traditional content consumption. One thing is clear, artificial intelligence has already transformed the adult entertainment industry, and this process cannot be stopped. How will it affect society and ethical boundaries in the future? The question remains open. Why collaborate with real models when you can create a virtual persona? Digital figures are already amassing millions of followers, endorsing brands, and earning more than real influencers. This is particularly relevant in the adult entertainment industry. Content creators use generative AI to craft unique models that never age, never tire, and always align with current trends. Many users don't even realize they are interacting with an algorithm. And this is just the beginning. Large companies are investing huge sums into developing hyper-realistic digital influencers capable of replicating human behavior and emotions. These models eliminate scandals, avoid negative publicity, and always appear flawless. They adapt to audience demands, becoming increasingly popular. Technology allows for the creation of not only realistic images, but also the assignment of unique personalities to them. Artificial intelligence analyzes trends, mimics communication styles, and replicates behavioral nuances. As a result, users experience interactions that closely resemble those with real people. What happens when virtual models begin actively engaging with their followers? Even now, they respond to comments, maintain conversations, and, in the future, may conduct voice interactions. Imagine an influencer who remembers each subscriber's preferences and instantly adjusts to their interests. Additionally, digital models are becoming an integral part of the entertainment industry. They sign contracts with well-known brands, appear in advertisements, and even star in films. Some are already taking leading roles in virtual shows and high-profile marketing campaigns. As technology advances, real individuals are being pushed out of the industry. Another crucial aspect is the integration of artificial intelligence in creating interactive models capable of responding to real-time user requests. Algorithms now generate personalized replies, analyze message tones, and even learn from user behavior. This makes digital models nearly indistinguishable from live conversation partners. Immersive virtual reality technology is also developing. In the future, subscribers won't just watch content, but will engage with digital models through VR and tactile interfaces, enhancing the sense of real presence. This opens new possibilities for the industry and makes digital personas even more desirable. The balance of power is shifting, and real models are losing relevance each year. We are on the brink of a new era where virtual identities replace real people. In the near future, no one may be able to tell the difference between a live person and a digital image. What will be the consequences of this transition? AI no longer just creates images. It simulates full-fledged interactions. Personalized chatbots create the illusion of live communication, adapting to user styles. They remember details, analyze previous conversations, and adjust to their conversation partner's preferences. Modern technologies already enable the synthesis of natural voices, creating the effect of interacting with a real person. For adult online streaming, this has become a major challenge. Previously, users paid for interactions with live individuals, but now AI can offer a comparable experience without emotional nuances. The development of this technology raises the question, can real performers compete with virtual models that are always available and designed to satisfy audience demands? AI is advancing further. Digital companions with animated facial expressions and adaptive behavior are now being developed. They can convey emotions, adjust their tone, and even respond to the emotional context of a conversation. These technologies make virtual partners increasingly lifelike. Companies are actively developing and improving algorithms to create chatbots capable of engaging in complex dialogues, remembering user preferences, and adapting to their desires. Platforms already exist where anyone can design their own digital companion, tailored perfectly to their personality and interests. But how ethical is the implementation of such technologies? If AI learns from real data, mimics human communication styles, and adopts behavioral patterns, where is the boundary between genuine interaction and digital simulation? So far, legislators have been unable to keep pace with this rapidly evolving industry, while companies continue to refine technologies that bring them ever closer to reality. Additionally, there are concerns about psychological impact. Some users already prefer virtual partners due to their predictability and accessibility. But what happens if digital companions completely replace live communication? Could this lead to a shift in how real relationships are perceived? One thing is certain, chatbots and interactive AI are rapidly transforming the adult entertainment industry. In the coming years, digital companions may become the new norm, while real-world interactions become rare. How will this reshape our perception of communication? AI is already here, and its impact on the adult entertainment industry is irreversible. Virtual models, deepfake content, and intelligent chatbots are replacing people, shaping a new reality. But what does this mean for viewers and content creators? Are we ready for a future where technology replaces emotions and digital partners become the norm? Share your opinion in the comments, and don't forget to check out other videos on the channel to learn more about AI's influence on our lives.